Lie on your back with your feet together and arms beside your body. Inhale. Lift your upper body and both your legs off the floor, reaching your arms towards your feet. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Engage as you tighten the abs and raise your torso and legs off the floor with arms in front of your legs. Try to keep your eyes, fist and toes in one line. Continue to breathe through the nose and keep shoulders relaxed while maintaining the asana. Keep your chest and mid-back lifted, shoulder blades away from ears. Keep your toes pointed, legs active and inner thighs engaged. Contract the abdominal muscles by pulling in the navel towards the spine. Bend the knees to make it easier, or if you feel discomfort in the lower back. As you exhale, come back to the ground slowly and relax.